Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to know about what is a computer and what type of language computer can understand and how does the storage will form. First, we should know about the language of computer. Which type of language use computer as like a human beings? Suppose Germany use a Dutch language, Nepal used Nepali language. In a world, different country they use their different language. But computer or machine, they don't have different language. There is only one language. That one is binary. What is binary? And digit electronics. A binary number is expressed in base 2 numerical system, which use only two symbols, typically 0 and 1. The base 2 numerical system is a positional national with the radix of 2. Each digit is referred to as a bit. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 or 1. What is a bit? A bit, short for binary digit, is the smallest unit of data in a computer. Although computers usually provide instructions that can test and manipulate bits, they generally are designed to store data and execute instructions in a bit multiples called by bytes. I will go to show you the binary number value of A to Z. So, this is the process of text to binary and binary to text. This process is called ASCII. What is ASCII? It means American Standard Code for Information Interactions. For example, if I type H key from keyboard, then it will convert into binary. The value of H in binary is 01101000. You can see the table, the number of binary and the value. This is the language of computer. It means those electronics device like a mobile, automobile, electronics machine, they have only one language, which is called binary. Let's go again in bit. In the calculation, now we know that this is the measurement of unit of RAM and hard disk. Thank you very much. We will be back on next video with the introduction of RAM and hard disk. Do not forget to watch our next video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Have a good time. Bye bye.